Hey everybody, it's your buddy Chris, and I've been just absolutely blown away by all you new subscribers. So welcome to the Holy Moly. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I wanted to put something out, so I want to give you a little room tour of the Wyndham Bonnet Creek, and that's where we're going to be staying this whole week. So I'm standing at the entrance to this unit, and this is a 2-bedroom deluxe. So as soon as we go to the left, we're in the first bathroom, and it's pretty nice. Vanity and big mirror, and we've got a full bathroom, tub, shower, toilet. That leads to this bedroom, 2 double beds, a nice view, big closet, and a television, lots of storage, lots of places to put your stuff. Out here, we now go into the dining room and the kitchen. It's got a nice big closet. Got some recycling there, dustbin, broom, ironing board. And here we've got dishwasher, refrigerator, ice maker, working just fine, working away. Got a double toaster, stove, microwave, coffee maker, blender. They deliver, they have this welcome package here, and it's got your coffee filters. It's a number 4 cone filter, at least for the coffee maker I have. And coffee for one day. Like 1 serving of coffee. Then you've got all your stuff that you're gonna need. We've got plates and mugs and bowls. We have tons of wine glasses, big plastic mugs. What else you got? All your utensils. So we've got a ladle, slotted spoon, whisk, wine opener, ice cream scoop, potato peeler, can opener, all your forks and knives and tongs, measuring spoons, big serving spoons. We've got pans and strainers, bowls. Inside the oven is all the baking stuff that you could need. And it's got a nice frying pan. Yeah, really everything you could imagine. They even give you some starter stuff. So we've got some packets for the dishwasher. Also got a garbage disposal unit. Let's go over here. Lovely living area. And television. My homeboys, the Saskatchewan Roughriders, are playing today, so I have that on. I'm not a big sports guy, but I gotta watch my guys. Don't have the greatest view, but yeah, who cares? Off in this direction, if you can see, are the tops of the bowling pins at Pop Century. So just to give you an idea of where I am. And we've also got a couple of chairs, a couple of tables. If you want to sit outside, enjoy your coffee. There's some of our neighbors over here. Now continue on here from outside, and also have a DVD player. So if you want to bring some movies, I think you can get them here as well. Or DVDs, that is, like to rent. And here's the master bedroom. Ceiling fan. King size bed, very comfortable, very comfortable bed. Got a big TV, very nice, and we've got a really good closet. Inside the closet, you've got a safe. We've got a luggage rack here. Then we've got a nice big tub, and it's a jacuzzi tub, but it's got a different way of giving you the bubbles. So it doesn't inject water. Those things get gross. And I don't even recommend people use them. But this is different. Look at that. Just air. So it just makes lots of bubbles. Then we've got, sorry, mess. We've got our stuff is already out here. Good hair dryer. We didn't bring this. This is included. You've got your makeup mirror. And then the second bathroom here with your toilet, vanity, nice big shower, and laundry. So you can do your laundry while you're here. I know that's not great, but sometimes that just means you don't have to pack as many clothes. One thing to be aware of is that the Wyndham Bonnet Creek is a timeshare. And the reason we're here is we rented someone's week. So someone couldn't make it and they wanted some cash for their week. So we booked it. We booked it through a company called TripBound, which we found through VRBO. And the whole process has been very good, no problem. Now when you check in, you've got a regular hotel check-in, that's fine. They will then tell you there's a welcome package for you over at a different desk. This is the timeshare part of it. So they're going to give you some coupons and chat you up, and they're going to ask you if you would like to have a free breakfast. They may throw in, they want to give you a couple nights free at any Wyndham. Might throw in a $100 gift card for something. Hard to say what they're going to offer you. Know that this is a timeshare presentation. You're going to be spending at least, they say 90 minutes. Now I'm not going to say it's going to be longer. All I can tell you is anytime we've attended a timeshare presentation and they say it's 90 minutes, it's never 90 minutes. They drag it on way longer. They got a job to do there. That is to sell timeshare. I've now told them 3 times, no thank you. I think I told the one person 3 times that we were too busy. I've now received a phone call. So just know, this will happen. You know, just say no if you don't want to go, or go do it. I'm not telling you what to do. I just want you to be aware that is what will occur. So Charmaine and Michelle are going to be joining me tomorrow evening. They fly out at 7 a.m. from Calgary. They got to cut through Toronto, and then they'll be here. So for the rest of the week, we're going to be just having as much fun as we can. More Halloween Horror Nights, lots of Disney. And once we get back, I'll start my regular routine of videos. Gonna try and be putting out 2 a week. It can be challenging sometimes. It takes me quite a while to get them out, and I apologize for that, but they will start flowing again. My goal is to have 1 Disney cruise video and then 1 Orlando video per week. I hope I can make that schedule. That is my goal. So I'll do my very best for you guys. And again, thank you very much for watching. Once again, it's your buddy Chris from the Holy Moly. Bye-bye. See you soon.